single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello people, we are here in France. Oh look, there's an airplane coming. There's an airplane coming. I hope you can see it. There's an airplane, yes. Whoa, there's the airplane. Check it, check that out. That's why I can't put my drone up here. There's an airfield, but we have found, so as I was saying, here we are again, me and Martine, and we have found a bunker here, several bunkers in France, and it's
just beside the road.
Yeah, it's beside the road, and it's in Béthune. Lily is also with us, doggy
Yes.
woggy, and here is the bunker. Check it out. See that? And far in the back there is also a very nice one. I'm gonna film that one also. So we have one over there also. I'm gonna zoom in. See? So that's for later. First I'm going in here. Lot more left, eh? Yes, so I'm gonna try to get in. It's a little bit dangerous because of the nettles. Nettles. Don't come here with your dog. It's dangerous for the dog. It's not good for the dog, this. So this is the inside of the bunker. It's a very old one. It's being demolished, as you can see. Sadly enough.
It's amazing inside.
It's very nice inside, but it's demolishing. They're demolishing it, so. But yeah. No, wait with the dog. This is the inside. Yeah. There's a lot of debris here. Rubble. There's also this place, as you can see. And then we have here a wall. There's a wall. This is yeah. Oh, it's also down there and behind the wall there, but I think I will need a light for that. So let's go back. Let's go back. So this is a nice bunker in the middle of nowhere. I need what?
There's a plane coming again.
Another plane?
Another plane, a white one.
Oh yeah. Is it coming this way or?
He's coming our direction, so.
That's
Look
cool.
at that.
It's coming from far.
Yeah.
The bunker is nice. There's also a place going down,
Yeah.
but it's dark. I need light for that, so
Will you go in? Or
I will try with light to see something. I'm not sure if it's
do I have to go
possible.
in?
So I think people are coming here to have a shit also. as you can see. So there's some German text here. There you are. I'm not sure if I can step in here without being in shit. Let's see what happens. This way, yeah, okay. Oh yeah, okay, there's a little room here, that's all I see. It's only a little room also. As you can see, there's not much to see in here. A little room, but going back, it's a little dangerous. And also a lot of urine droppings. I have to watch out, I'm not stepping in it. There we go. Oh. Alright, so that's it for this bunker. I'm gonna say it's a nice one, but demolishing, or demolished. It's in bad state actually. People, yeah, you have seen some shots from our trip in France again. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe and don't forget to keep following us. Bye bye. Also leave a little comment for us. See you. Bye bye.